Mir Sobdar Saeed is a veteran Pakistani Sindhi actor, comedian, poet, broadcaster, compere, and stage performer who has made outstanding contributions to Sindhi television, radio, theatre, and literature for more than 5 decades. Belonging to Khairpur, Sindh, he is widely respected as one of the most versatile personalities in Sindhi performing arts, admired for his natural comic talent, expressive acting, and lifelong dedication to promoting the Sindhi language, literature, and culture. Born in 1967, Mir Sobdar Saeed began writing poetry at a young age and formally entered the literary world in 1976. Influenced by renowned Sindhi literary figures such as Dr. Tanveer Abbasi, Atta Muhammad Hami, Umeed Khairpuri, Khadim Rafiqi, Nadeem Ansari, and Rahim Bucks Halim Sindhi, he developed a poetic style centered on love, humanity, social justice, resistance against oppression, and criticism of harmful social customs. His published poetry collection, Lurk, Murakain Sanzar, Tears, Smiles in the World, reflects his literary vision, while several other manuscripts remain unpublished. Alongside his literary career, Mir Sobdar Saeed established himself as one of Sindh's most recognizable drama artists. He has appeared in hundreds of television dramas, stage plays, solo performances, and comedy productions. He achieved immense popularity for portraying Gabato in the long-running Sindh TV comedy soap serial Mashkir Jo Goff, a role that became one of the most beloved comic characters in Sindhi television. His effortless comic timing, authentic rural portrayal, and memorable dialogue delivery earned him a devoted audience across Sindh. Since 1986, Mir Sobdar Saeed has also been associated with Radio Pakistan, Khairpur, where he has served as a broadcaster, compere, voice artist, scriptwriter, and drama performer. Throughout his radio career, he has written more than 200 humorous sketches, acted in hundreds of radio dramas, and became widely known for his long-running role as Chacha Subhan in the agricultural and social awareness program Suni Dati. His songs and poetic recitations, including Jafon Ji Badli Kayasin Wafon and Ha Gul Gulab Nahe, Ha Kam Sawab Nahe, gained considerable popularity among radio listeners. Mir Sobdar Saeed is also a successful stage performer, having actively participated in Sindhi theatre since the early 1980s. He believes that stage drama remains one of the most powerful forms of performing arts because of its immediate emotional connection with audiences. Throughout his career, he has worked alongside many distinguished Sindhi actors including Asad Qureshi, Shabiran Channa, Mama Lalu, Nisar Shah, and Ahmed Memon, portraying both comic and emotionally powerful characters with equal excellence. Beyond acting and poetry, Mir Sobdar Saeed has consistently advocated for the welfare of Sindhi artists, writers, and cultural workers. He has often spoken about the lack of institutional support for literature, theatre, and performing arts in Sindh, emphasizing that meaningful government patronage is essential for preserving the region's rich artistic heritage. Through his work as an actor, poet, broadcaster, and cultural ambassador, he continues to inspire younger generations while remaining one of the most respected and enduring figures in Sindhi media and literature.